it all done. My very own popcorn Valentine's Day box. It is super duper cute. Hey Princess Squad, it's T here, and Valentine's Day is coming up, so you're going to need your own Valentine's Day box. Last time we made this super cute gumball Valentine's Day box that we used a kit from Hobby Lobby to make. This time we're going to make this cute popcorn box using another DIY kit I got from Hobby Lobby. But remember, you're going to need the kit and the box because this kit does not come with a box. So let's go ahead and get started and make this cute Valentine's Day box. Let's start by unboxing this kit to see what's inside. These cute little popcorns are so adorable. I'm so excited. So we're just gonna open this up and dump out the kit. We have cute little popcorn, some googly eyes, a little cute ticket. Don't know what this is yet. A bunch of stuff to punch out, and of course our popcorn cover. So the kit comes with 3 popcorn sheets. It looks like this. This one is small, medium, and large, and it also comes with these yellow pieces right here. So you're going to take the smallest popcorn piece and slide it into this hole right here. Put it aside. And then you're gonna take these 2 pieces, you're gonna put the medium here. I'm gonna punch this out here. And you're going to take the large one and put it in the back. Next, you're going to take this piece right here and glue it to the edge right here. So we're just going to put it here like so. But first I need to get some glue to glue these pieces. Okay, so we're going to have to add glue like this, but we're not going to glue this front part, remember? So, glue it down like so. Next, we're going to glue this piece. Next up, you're gonna put your red and white popcorn pieces on. There's no adhesive, so definitely have to use some of your glue. Just be super careful not to hurt yourself. Next, we're going to turn the box on the side. Put some glue. All right, time to do the other side, same thing. I really wish Hobby Lobby would make these with adhesive already on the back so we don't have to use glue gun. Hopefully next year they change it. All right, I'm just gonna stick these cute little popcorn everywhere. And also add these cute glittery hearts. Next up, we're going to add our cute little movie tag. And you can write your name right here. And last but not least, we have to add our eyeballs. Going to add an eyeball here, and eyeball here. Oh, so cute, I'm so in love. I feel like I'm just gonna put a heart right here to complete the final touches. What do you guys think? There you have it, all done. My very own popcorn Valentine's Day box. It is super duper cute. What do you guys think? Do you like my popcorn box more or my gumball box more? Leave a comment down below to let me know which one is your favorite. Alright, Princess Squad, that's the end of today's video. Make sure you follow us on our TikTok and our Instagram at princesssquad.official for more DIY fun. And always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!